Hi, my name is Galina, I'm 23 and I'm all the way from Mother Russia, Moscow. So the things would actually make me swiping right or left. No pictures in the mirror, please. If it's not six packs with a really good chest and like really tan body, please don't do that. I mean, you can do anything if you have really good body, but if you don't have this thing, so be careful. No mirror pictures, no. Watch out for your background. If you're like really cool guy, but you're sitting, I don't know, in like really classic car, no. No fake smile, I guess. This is like, hey chick, what's up? I'm sitting here and just like watching it. No, just be yourself. Like, if you love your mom, take a picture with your mom, but no, not on Tinder though. What else? Just try to do nice pictures of yourself. Don't fake it, and show as much like of your background, what you're doing, like you like climbing, you're like jumping with a flick from the airplane without parachute. Okay, sure, just show it. So what are you supposed to put in the bio on your online dating social media? For sure, how tall you are. This is my concern. Always show how tall you are. Even like it's a girl, like if it's tall girl like me, it's really important. Even if it's a short girl, like she still want to know. And just don't put like thing, oh, I love hiking, I love movies, sushi, and I'm vegan. I don't give a fuck. Seriously. You can be a dinosaur. I'm like, really. Just like tell some joke, which is, or like, I don't know. Just say something what is important to you, like, I'm in the army and I'm looking for a girlfriend, or I'm just like in the city for a few days and I just want to hang out, or like just like the purpose why you're here. Yeah, here you go. I just need the purpose why you actually on this site, and how tall you are. That's it. So when you're first messaging me on the Tinder or something like that, I actually find out myself if I'm laughing, it's cool. So what the guy's doing, they're sending the really funny gifs. Jesus, it's really getting to me. It's really getting to me. Like the funny gifs with the Jim Carrey, whatever on Tinder, they have it. It's always works. I always say hi or something. It's just like making me laugh. Don't put shit like hi, hello. I mean, yeah, if girl really swipe you right and she really likes you, she always gonna answer you. But if you're still not sure about it, just like make her laugh. It always works. So what are you supposed to do for me to message you first? Usually, if I'm 100% like you, so you just match all of my requirements. It's like tall, you look funny, like your bio is actually telling like you're looking for fun and you wanna like go do something what I actually expecting to do like in the closest future, and you're pretty, and it's just everything together. Or if you have like just recently actually there was a guy, he was cooking naked, I guess, and he took the picture and it was his profile picture like with the ass, and I'm like, obviously the guy have a really good sense of humor, but at least he's fun. And so I just text him like, you have a nice butt. So, and probably we're never gonna meet each other, but I still text him. If you're just showing that you're a gentleman, I mean, like somehow kinda guys doing it, like they just, the way how they dressed or the way how they actually like showing the pictures, like they're respecting themselves, respecting people around. For example, like the guy like with a picture on his grandma's 80th birthday and he's hugging her and smiling. So this is actually kind of like it's showing that he's respecting his family, grandma. It's kind of building some trust. Or if you just like sitting in a nice car and you're not showing that you're actually sitting in a nice car. I ran the Ferrari for 15 minutes, I paid all of my salary. Now, if you're like actually driving the car and just took the random selfie, yeah, that's probably gonna work too.